Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down in order to find sound and vibration. As you can see right here, we've got the highlighted section with the sound, so for notifications, ringtones and the alarms. Let me show you how to do it using the ringtone, as it is in the title of our video today. And after tapping on it, we will be transferred to the themes, and basically you will have the access to many ringtones, however, if you will have the internet connection. So you'll be able to pick something from new ringtones. You will be able to kind of download them on your device. If you will not have the internet connection, no worries, because you can always pick local ringtones or pre-installed ringtones. So you can always enter the internal storage of your device. So for example, tap on the pre-installed ringtones, tap on the ringtone, and here we've got the list of all currently applied and saved ringtones on your device. So as I said, you don't have to have the internet connection. All you have to do right here in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to tap on it. However, and this is how you can check whether you like the ringtone or not. However, I don't want to use them. Let me go back. As you can see, after tapping on it, your device will immediately apply it as a default one. But that's okay. So this is what you have to do. If you want to apply the particular ringtone, just tap on it and go back. However, I'd like to pick something from those options to show you how to navigate in this section also. So let me pick something maybe from the party, just tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of all available ringtones from which we can choose. We've got a lot of options to choose from. And all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to again tap on it. So you can check it whether you like it or not. Maybe not this one. All right. And if you like a particular ringtone, simply tap on this kind of bell icon. So you will be able to apply it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just confirm it with OK. You will have to download it, and then we've got this information that it has been applied successfully. We can go back to this section, because here we've got the name of the ringtone, and we've got the one we just currently applied. So from now on, your device will use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.